Introducing the Advin Health Care Esophageal Balloon Dilator, a precision-engineered device designed for safe and effective dilation of esophageal strictures during endoscopic procedures. It plays a vital role in restoring luminal patency and improving swallowing function in patients with benign or malignant esophageal narrowing. Manufactured from high-quality medical-grade materials, the balloon dilator offers excellent flexibility, strength, and pressure resistance. The uniform balloon expansion ensures controlled and gradual dilation, minimizing the risk of mucosal trauma and perforation. Clear diameter markings allow accurate monitoring of balloon size during inflation under endoscopic or fluoroscopic guidance. The Advin Health Care Esophageal Balloon Dilator features an atraumatic tip that supports smooth insertion and precise positioning at the target site. Its flexible catheter shaft enables easy navigation through the endoscope channel, ensuring optimal control throughout the procedure. Radiopaque markers enhance visibility, allowing clinicians to confirm correct placement and monitor dilation progress in real time. Compatible with standard guide wires and inflation devices, the dilator integrates seamlessly into routine endoscopic workflows. Available in multiple balloon diameter ranges and lengths, the device adapts to varied patient anatomies and clinical requirements. Designed for single-use application, it ensures sterility and reduces the risk of cross-contamination. Each unit undergoes rigorous quality inspection to ensure safety, consistency, and dependable performance. At Advin Health Care, we are committed to delivering advanced endoscopic solutions that enhance procedural efficiency and patient outcomes. Trusted by healthcare professionals worldwide, the esophageal balloon dilator delivers precision, safety, and confidence in every dilation procedure.